Hey, Danny here, and I'm on my vlog, and I spy a Stang. Well, I spy a for sale Stang. It is a 13, so she's got the 300 horse 6-cylinder in it. They're not worried about plate because they left it out here. But standard, I want 10 grand for it. Carpet interior, it is an automatic. Airbags. Original Dunlop, looks like original Dunlops on it. I don't know how many miles is on it, but there's a phone number on it if you're interested. There's a 13, 2000. Not bad. All right. All black interior. An example. It's definitely the 6-cylinder. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch me on the next.